Daily note-taking applications can be very helpful in organizing your life, from creating schedules or to-do lists, recording important information, to improving creativity. This makes note-taking applications one of the most important applications for Android users. In this video, we will discuss the 3 best note-taking applications for Android, which can help you organize your life more productively. Supernote. Supernote is a very useful application for Android 2023 users, with complete features such as a notebook, notepad, checklist, and comfortable time management features. This application allows users to quickly create and save important notes, checklists, and even confidential information easily and securely. In addition, Supernote also features modern shortcut features, note widgets, and various personalized note themes, allowing users to customize the application according to their needs and preferences. Furthermore, with reliable and easy-to-use backup features, Supernote is very effective in ensuring that users do not lose important notes. WeNote. WeNote is a simple and user-friendly note-taking application. In this application, users can quickly create notes in the form of colors, task lists, reminders, and a calendar. In addition, WeNote is also equipped with a security system in the form of a PIN, pattern, password or fingerprint to keep confidential information secure. In use, WeNote is the easiest and fastest notepad in the world, so users can easily take notes on things like notes, emails, phone numbers, messages, cooking recipes, diaries, journals, shopping lists, and task lists. This application can also be used offline without the need to log in and does not require an internet connection. Easy Notes. Easy Notes is an application that provides a notepad for Android users. This note-taking app allows you to create memos quickly with colorful backgrounds and checklists to help you organize your tasks and life easily. Additionally, you can use Easy Notes to add photos or audio to your notes. It is a great note-taking app to take color notes and manage tasks. With this app, you get access to various features such as a clear interface for easy note-taking, creating reminders, categorizing notes by color or category, sorting notes by time, saving notes automatically, sharing digital notes, importing notes, making a shopping list, drawing something with various pens and templates, adding sticky notes to your home screen, and making private notes to protect your privacy. The 3 daily note-taking applications for Android discussed in this video become a solution for those who need organization in their lives. Note-taking applications are an effective tool for improving productivity, reminding of tasks that need to be done, and helping to plan daily activities. So, if you need a note-taking application that can transform your life to be more successful, easy, and productive, then the 3 applications we describe are the right choice for you.